Our planet teems with life. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, creatures great and small have adapted to thrive in every corner of the globe. The sheer diversity of life on Earth never ceases to amaze us. We marvel at the power of elephants, the grace of dolphins, and the intricate societies of ants. Yet, some of the most captivating wonders of the natural world come in remarkably small packages. Among these wonders are hummingbirds, tiny avian dynamos that defy our expectations of what a bird can be. Hummingbirds are found exclusively in the Americas, where they fill the air with their iridescent colors and energetic flights. These miniature marvels are a testament to the power of evolution, showcasing incredible adaptations that allow them to exist in a world often dominated by size and strength. In this series, we'll journey into the fascinating world of hummingbirds and explore the science behind their incredible feats of endurance and migration. Prepare to be amazed by these miniature marvels that navigate vast distances, overcome incredible challenges, and embody the boundless wonders of the natural world. Let's begin our exploration by delving into the world of these remarkable creatures and discovering what makes them so unique. Hummingbirds belong to the family Trochilidae, a diverse group of over 360 recognized species. Their name, derived from the humming sound produced by their rapidly beating wings, hints at one of their most defining characteristics. These birds are masters of the air, capable of hovering in place, flying backwards, and even upside down. Their small size, with some species measuring a mere 2 inches in length, belies their incredible strength and stamina. Hummingbirds are often described as jewels of the Americas, and for good reason. Their feathers, often adorned with iridescent colors that shimmer and shift in the sunlight, resemble tiny living gemstones. From the emerald green of the aptly named emerald hummingbird to the fiery orange throat of the rufous hummingbird, their plumage is a dazzling display of nature's artistry. These avian jewels are found in a variety of habitats across North and South America, from the lush rainforests of the Amazon basin to the high-altitude meadows of the Andes Mountains. Each species has adapted to its particular environment, developing specialized beaks and tongues perfectly suited to extracting nectar from the flowers that sustain them. With their breathtaking beauty and incredible adaptations, hummingbirds have captivated the human imagination for centuries. Now, we'll turn our attention to the star of our show, the remarkable migratory hummingbird. While many hummingbird species remain in tropical regions year-round, some embark on incredible migratory journeys that span thousands of miles. These tiny migrants, weighing no more than a few grams, traverse vast distances, crossing deserts, mountains, and even open water to reach their breeding grounds. Their ability to navigate these challenging landscapes and endure the rigors of long-distance flight is a testament to their incredible evolutionary adaptations. Consider the calliope hummingbird, the smallest bird in North America. This tiny creature, weighing less than a dime, migrates from its breeding grounds in the western United States and Canada to its wintering grounds in Mexico. This epic journey, covering over 5,000 miles round-trip, is a testament to the calliope hummingbird's incredible stamina and navigational prowess. How do these tiny creatures, with brains no larger than a grain of rice, manage to navigate such vast distances? What fuels their incredible flights, and what challenges do they face along the way? These are just a few of the questions we'll explore as we delve into the fascinating science of hummingbird migration. Join us as we unlock the secrets behind these miniature marvels and discover the wonders of their epic journeys. The hummingbird world is a tapestry woven with diverse migratory patterns. Some species, like the Anna's hummingbird, maintain year-round residency. Others, like the calliope hummingbird, embark on seasonal journeys. These migrations are precisely timed with blooming flowers. Nectar fuels their journeys, a reward for pollination. This dance between bird and blossom shows life's interconnectedness. Imagine a rufous hummingbird weighing less than a nickel. It travels from Alaska to Mexico, braving mountains and storms. This journey spans over 3,000 miles. Prepare to be astounded by their resilience and adaptability. The ruby-throated hummingbird, a familiar sight in gardens across eastern North America, is known for its iridescent ruby throat and astonishing endurance. Each fall, they migrate from the eastern United States and Canada, crossing over 500 miles of open water to reach their wintering grounds in Mexico and Central America. They fuel these long flights with remarkable metabolism and energy reserves. Guided by instinct, they navigate vast distances. The navigational skills of migratory hummingbirds have long fascinated scientists. How do these tiny birds, with brains no larger than a pea, manage to find their way across thousands of miles of unfamiliar terrain? The answer lies in a combination of instinct, experience, and an ability to utilize environmental cues. Young hummingbirds embarking on their first migration rely heavily on instinct and inherited knowledge of their species' traditional migratory routes. This instinct, passed down through generations, guides them in the general direction of their wintering grounds. However, instinct alone is not enough. As hummingbirds migrate, they learn and memorize landmarks along their route, building a mental map of their journey. They use their keen eyesight to recognize mountains, rivers, and coastlines, using these visual cues to stay on course. In addition to visual landmarks, hummingbirds also rely on celestial navigation, using the sun and stars to orient themselves. Scientists believe that hummingbirds, like many other migratory birds, possess an internal compass that allows them to sense the Earth's magnetic field, providing them with a sense of direction even on cloudy days or nights. This remarkable combination of instinct, experience, and sensory perception allows hummingbirds to navigate vast distances with astonishing accuracy, reaching their destinations year after year. The migratory journeys of hummingbirds often involve traversing a variety of challenging landscapes, from soaring mountain ranges to vast stretches of open water. Crossing these barriers requires incredible stamina and adaptability. Some hummingbird species, like the rufous hummingbird, undertake high-altitude migrations crossing mountain ranges that would challenge even the most experienced human climbers. To survive these thin-air environments, hummingbirds have evolved highly efficient respiratory and circulatory systems that allow them to extract oxygen from the rarefied air. Other species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, face the daunting task of crossing large bodies of water, such as the Gulf of Mexico. These tiny birds, weighing less than a dime, must rely on favorable weather conditions and their own incredible endurance to complete these overwater flights. To prepare for these challenging crossings, hummingbirds gorge themselves on nectar and insects in the days leading up to their departure, storing as much energy as possible. They may even fly at night to take advantage of cooler temperatures and calmer winds, reducing the risk of dehydration and exhaustion. The fact that these tiny creatures can successfully navigate such treacherous landscapes is a testament to their remarkable resilience and their ability to adapt to the challenges of their migratory journeys. Migration is a perilous undertaking for any animal, but for hummingbirds the risks are magnified by their small size and high energy demands. Predators, storms, and habitat loss all pose significant threats to these tiny migrants. Along their migration routes, hummingbirds must evade a variety of predators, including hawks, snakes, and even large insects like praying mantises. Their small size makes them vulnerable, but their agility and speed often allow them to outmaneuver their attackers. Storms pose another significant threat, particularly during overwater flights. Strong winds can blow hummingbirds off course, while heavy rain can soak their feathers, making it difficult to fly. To survive these perilous conditions, hummingbirds often seek shelter in dense vegetation, or even wait out the storm-grounded, conserving their energy until conditions improve. Habitat loss, driven by human activities such as deforestation and urbanization, is an increasing threat to migratory hummingbirds. As their natural habitats shrink, hummingbirds face a shortage of food and nesting sites, making their already challenging journeys even more difficult. Despite these challenges, hummingbirds continue to amaze us with their resilience and adaptability. Their epic migrations are a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of life on our planet. The extraordinary migratory journeys of hummingbirds seem impossible given their size. How can a creature weighing less than a nickel traverse thousands of miles? Their high metabolism is key. Pound for pound, hummingbirds have the highest metabolic rate of any animal. Their tiny bodies convert fuel into energy at an astonishing rate. This fast metabolism supports their energetic flight. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of sustained hovering. Their wings beat up to 80 times per second. This allows them to remain suspended and even fly backwards. Maintaining this requires constant energy. They consume their body weight in nectar daily. In the next section, we'll explore their diet and discover how they fuel their journeys. The hummingbird's diet, primarily composed of nectar and supplemented with insects, fuels their high-energy lifestyle. Nectar provides carbohydrates, the primary fuel for their rapid metabolism. Their long beaks and tongues access nectar deep within flowers. Hummingbirds also eat insects for protein and nutrients. For migration, they store fat reserves by gorging on food. This fat provides energy for their long journeys. Fat allows them to cover vast distances without refueling. Section 3. The Fat-Burning Furnace, Efficient Energy Utilization. The ability of hummingbirds to efficiently utilize stored fat reserves is crucial for their migratory success. During long flights, their bodies become highly efficient fat-burning machines, extracting maximum energy from their limited reserves. As they fly, hummingbirds break down stored fat molecules into fatty acids, which are then transported to their muscles and other organs to be used as fuel. This process, known as fatty acid oxidation, is highly efficient in hummingbirds, allowing them to extract a remarkable amount of energy from their fat stores. To further enhance their energy efficiency, hummingbirds can adjust their metabolic rate depending on the demands of their flight. During strenuous flights, such as crossing mountain ranges or large bodies of water, they can increase their metabolic rate to generate the necessary power. Conversely, they can lower their metabolic rate during rest periods or when food is scarce, conserving precious energy reserves. This ability to fine-tune their metabolism, coupled with their efficient fat-burning capacity, allows hummingbirds to stretch their energy reserves over long distances, making their epic migrations possible. Section 4. Beyond Fuel, Physiological Marvels of the Hummingbird. Their respiratory system is incredibly efficient, supplying muscles with oxygen for rapid wing beats. Hummingbirds enter torpor to conserve energy, lowering body temperature and metabolic rate during inactivity. Section 5. The Price of Performance Balancing Energy Budgets. Hummingbirds live on a delicate energy budget, balancing intake with expenditure. Understanding their energy budgets is crucial for conservation efforts. For centuries, the navigational prowess of migratory animals has captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Hummingbirds sense the Earth's magnetic field, using magnetoreception as an internal compass. Specialized cells with iron-based crystals align with the magnetic field, guiding their migration. While the Earth's magnetic field provides hummingbirds with a general sense of direction, they also rely on celestial cues. Hummingbirds use the sun and stars as navigational beacons, guided by their internal clock. This ability to navigate by celestial cues is crucial for nocturnal migrations. While instinct and sensory perception play crucial roles in hummingbird migration, experience also shapes their navigational abilities. Hummingbirds create mental maps, remembering key landmarks and refining routes. This spatial memory allows them to make navigational decisions based on past experiences. The mystery of the first journey is one of the most intriguing aspects of hummingbird migration. Young hummingbirds inherit a genetic blueprint with information about migratory routes. This genetic instinct, coupled with sensory abilities, guides their first journeys. The remarkable migratory journeys of hummingbirds are now facing an unprecedented challenge: climate change. Shifting flowering seasons and extreme weather events disrupt migration and food availability. Understanding and mitigating these impacts are crucial for their survival. The epic migrations undertaken by hummingbirds are a testament to their resilience and evolutionary adaptations. Their miniature size makes them vulnerable to predators and nature's whims. Despite low survival odds, hummingbirds persist, driven by ancient rhythms. Section 2. Predators and Pursuers, a world of constant vigilance. Hummingbirds face predators like raptors, snakes, and even praying mantises. Their agility, speed, and vigilance are key to evading threats. Section 3. The Wrath of Nature. Weathering storms and uncertain skies. Migrating hummingbirds are at the mercy of the elements, facing storms and droughts. They sense barometric pressure changes, adjusting flight paths to survive. Section 4. A shrinking world: habitat loss and the fragmentation of paradise. Hummingbirds face a new threat: habitat loss and fragmentation from human activities. Forests are cleared, urban sprawl encroaches, and climate change alters ecosystems. Even small habitat losses can have cascading effects. A forest clearing might have provided crucial stopover points. With the forest gone, hummingbirds expend more energy and face higher risks. Habitat fragmentation isolates populations, reducing genetic diversity. Hummingbirds face an uphill battle for survival in a human-altered world. Protecting and restoring ecosystems is crucial for their survival. Our actions impact the natural world. We must create a hospitable planet for hummingbirds. The challenges facing hummingbirds are daunting, yet there is hope. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect hummingbirds and their habitats. Efforts include establishing protected areas and promoting sustainable land management. Conserving habitats is crucial for their survival. National parks and wildlife refuges play a key role. Sustainable practices like shade-grown coffee farming help minimize habitat loss. Citizen science initiatives are vital for data collection. Public engagement provides insights into hummingbird populations and migration. This information aids in making informed conservation decisions. Education and outreach are equally important. Raising awareness inspires community action. The future of hummingbirds depends on our collective efforts. By protecting their habitats, we ensure their epic journeys continue to inspire. Hummingbirds' journeys, spanning thousands of miles, showcase their tenacity and adaptability. Their high-performance metabolisms and efficient energy storage are marvels of evolution. Despite challenges like predators and habitat loss, there is hope. Conservationists work tirelessly to protect these tiny titans. Their story reminds us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Throughout our exploration, we've encountered numerous examples of the hummingbird's remarkable resilience. Consider the story of the calliope hummingbird, a creature weighing less than a dime, undertaking a migratory journey of over 5,000 miles, a distance equivalent to a human circling the globe twice. This tiny traveler braves mountain ranges, deserts, and vast stretches of open water, its determination fueled by an ancient instinct and a body finely tuned for endurance. Or picture the rufous hummingbird, a fiery ball of energy, tracing a migratory path that loops across North America. This mighty migrant navigates a complex tapestry of landscapes, from the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest to the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains, its internal compass guiding it towards its ancestral breeding grounds. These stories, and countless others like them, illustrate the hummingbird's ability to overcome adversity and persevere against seemingly insurmountable odds. They remind us that even the smallest creatures can possess an indomitable spirit, a will to survive that transcends the challenges they face. By sharing these stories and highlighting the hummingbird's remarkable journeys, we hope to inspire a sense of wonder and appreciation for these tiny creatures and ignite a passion for their conservation. The future of hummingbirds, like that of so many other species, hangs in the balance. As human activities continue to impact the planet, it's more important than ever to recognize our responsibility to protect these tiny travelers and the habitats they depend on for survival. The good news is that there are concrete steps we can all take to make a difference. Planting native flowering plants in our gardens, reducing our reliance on pesticides, and supporting organizations working to conserve hummingbird habitats are just a few ways we can contribute to their well-being. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can create a more hospitable world for hummingbirds and ensure that their extraordinary journeys continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Let's join together to protect these jewels of the Americas, these tiny titans that embody the boundless wonders of the natural world. And as we conclude our journey into the world of hummingbird migration, we encourage you, our viewers, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this incredible story with your friends and family. Together, let's spread awareness and ignite a passion for protecting these remarkable creatures.